Hey, I'm mapping out my next funnel on Kajabi right now. I'm very excited. This video is not so much for you as it actually is for me. I don't have any professional lighting or professional audio right now because I'm doing this for me, but I'm just documenting this because I'm so excited. I dropped another $1,000 on Ted McGrath's Product to Millions training. I've invested a lot of time over the years on information product courses, and finally, I'm conceptually, theoretically, and actionably getting it down to the level where now I can blow this thing up and help more people than I've ever helped in my life and make more income than I've ever made in my life. So, okay, I have two entry-level products. I have 3 different brands, and I'm going to integrate them and they're going to become an integrated product suite. So what's going to happen is it's going to become a value ladder, and when I sell something, it's going to create an ascension model to where customers can get in, or an elevation model. They can get in and then they can elevate up through the products, and I can create more customer lifetime value and a higher ticket prices per customer for longer terms, more revenue. Like, this is going to 10x everything because there's an emergent property. So my 3 brands are the landscaping employee trap, product and content and information product series. I have the WCB, which is the window cleaning blueprint. That's my second online brand. I actually have 4 brands. My 4th brand is, it's called I Am Ability, and I'm just now getting into monetizing that now, but that's doesn't have a product line yet. That entire brand is an affiliate model. Affiliate products is where that'll be monetized. So as far as my products, my 3rd brand is my mainstream brand. That's called Marketing ROI. I'm just going to put MROI. And so the difference between these 2 and this one is the landscaping employee trap is a brand specifically for helping landscapers get their small business off the ground. Coaching in that with its own product series, information products, books, courses, audiobooks on different platforms, and it makes me residual income. The next one is the window cleaning blueprint, same thing, but for window cleaners. And then this one's a little bit higher priced. It's when I started getting good. I made this as a whole beta test. This is when I started getting okay, and now I'm getting good. The Marketing ROI is now a mainstream Marketing ROI, which teaches just getting started or small business or experienced small business owners how to market their businesses online, how to make their small businesses highly visible online, and how to make their how to automate the marketing in their service businesses. So this is a live seminar that I throw, a live event that has been selling out, which is really cool, where I bring in industry leaders and speakers or from people fly from all over the country to come to the event. There's an online product course, which I'm launching the online product now. I'll put a link in the description below. And then there's going to be a monthly continuity model, and then there's also going to be an upsell high ticket offer. But when I say integrated product suite, the funnels that these are going through, there's a $7 tripwire offer, brings somebody down into a $37 upsell, and then the only downsell is $7 a month. So this has produced, I don't know, tens of thousands of dollars. I've made $50,000 off this and helped all that many people. Okay, this right here has a $9 ebook one-time offer to this is the funnel to a $19 upsell, and then it goes to a $197 window cleaning course, but they can get a deal at $97. Or there's a downsell where they can get in for $1 and then just pay $37 a month. There's also a $19 ebook in there, ebook or audiobook. So there's a little bit more options in there, and there's a higher ticket price, a $97 offer. Well, Marketing ROI now starts out at a $97 offer which that actually reminds me now, I'm gonna have to, well, I don't have to right away, but I'm gonna have to create a $37 offer and then upsell to a $97 offer. So I gotta create that. But I don't actually have to create it because I have those because I have two audiences. My landscaping employee trap audience, I get 1 million views a month online. Landscaping employee trap, I get about 400,000 views a month, and I have 65,000 subscribers on YouTube. My window cleaning blueprint brand merges over from that, but also have 8,000 subscribers on that YouTube channel and probably 100,000 views a month. Now, since I already have organic traffic come from here, I'm going to upsell and ascend them into marketing ROI. That's what I'm doing already. But marketing ROI is also going to build its own organic, but mostly paid audience. That's going to be not just landscapers and window cleaners, but anybody who has a service business. Anybody who has any type of service business, electrician, HVAC, plumbing, landscaping, window cleaning, carpet cleaning, whatever, is going to be able to get into the marketing ROI and benefit. So $97 is the entry level or low tier ticket, and then that's the 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3 is the 4-hour video training course specifically by me in this conference room with a private mastermind group where I'm teaching just a deep dive of marketing plus other videos they're going to get on just how to automate the sales and marketing in their service business, how to make it highly visible online, how to get established with Google, how to get in a 3-pack of Google, all that stuff. So for $97, they're going to get that. And then what it's going to do is going to upsell them to the, right now it's $297 because I'm in a beta test mode, but I think I'm going to have to raise the price on the marketing ROI online course to $497, possibly even $997. So I think I'm gonna bump it up to $497, and then after this year's marketing ROI sells out at a minimum of 300 people, I'm booking 500 people's max capacity. I should be able to do that. That's gonna be all professionally recorded, and that'll be the $997 course. So with the $297 marketing ROI online course, you get all the private video recordings of the live event, plus a whole bunch of training modules by me that are walking through you through step by step how to actually get your business highly visible online. It's a great deal for $297. It's great. So in the $297, if they find that first, they can actually be upsold to $97 where they can get the private recordings of the private mastermind. So it's $397. Now, I'm thinking when I bump it up to $497, I might give away, that comes with 2 free tickets to my live event. 1 or 2 free tickets. I'm gonna have to, so $497. I gotta do the math to make sure I can pay for that. They're just gonna have to pay a $97 materials fee if they do decide to actually claim their tickets. So they get a huge deal on that, right? The tickets will basically be free. Okay, so but eventually there's gonna be a $997 product. There's gonna be live seminars. So my seminar is going to be $297, and then there's going to be coaching. I do coaching for $125 an hour. Now, what I'm doing right now is I'm going to bring them through the whole landscaping employee trap funnel, and they're going to get those products. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to reorganize the funnel and rebuild out all the copy. So as soon as they get in at 7, then 37, they're automatically going to be upsold to $97. Okay. Now, I'm not going to jump from 37 to 297, but I am going to upsell them. I'm going to do the order bump that, hey, okay, so this is how it's going to go. As soon as they check out for $37 and they buy the course, instead of taking them directly to the library, it's going to bump them to an upsell page where they're going to get offered the $97 marketing ROI. So what's going to happen is say, okay, now you have everything you need to get your landscaping business off the ground with this course, but those who are really serious understand that they need to learn how to market their business. So let's take a deep dive intensive workshop. This is worth, $497. You're going to get it for $97 today, and then they can get into my marketing ROI as well. Same with this, right? They can get into marketing ROI. Now, with the window cleaning blueprint, since it's $97, Yeah, I'm gonna get into entry level marketing ROI, and then I'll wait until they get inside of marketing ROI so they can consume all this content. And then a little bit later, I will make new. Yep, I'm gonna go inside of these training courses, and I'm gonna make a couple new modules where I'll be teaching deeper on these topics, landscaping and window cleaning. But I'm gonna start seeding and threading and talking about the marketing ROI private group, that when they get access to it, they can get deeper levels of training, or the marketing ROI online course for either $297 or $497, which is going to allow them to learn how to market their businesses. So it's creating more value for them. They have a place to go if they want to expand and learn more, and it also creates and opens up new revenue for me. So now what I'm doing is I'm tying in and I'm integrating all three of these brands together into an integrated product suite. And it took a long time to do this, but now I have an ascension model, low, medium, high. And then the highest of all is going to be private masterminds or group coaching or something like that. That's in the future. That's next. So this is going to work. This is going to be awesome. Okay. So I got to get in there. I got to write the copy. I got to build the pages. I got to integrate them. Keep it going. Marketing ROI. Oh yeah. So now I'm gonna have to create a bunch of free gifts. Free gifts for marketing ROI. I'm gonna create 3 of them and test them. I'm gonna create 3 free gifts for window cleaning blueprint and test them. 3 free gifts for the landscaping employee trap funnel. That's a totally different video, but basically what they're gonna get is in exchange for their name and email address, I'm gonna give them a free PDF download worksheet of a maybe a media release form, or maybe a work order template, or maybe a glass scratch release form, things that you need inside of the business to run your business, little system. So, and then I'll get them into my funnel like that. Okay, this is gonna work. And how's the funnel actually gonna look? It's gonna be a page, which is gonna be an opt-in. The opt-in gets their email, gives them their free gift over here, but instead of taking them directly to the free gift, it's gonna bump them to a sales page, which is going to be a one-time offer, which is an OTO. That OTO is going to offer them the Landscaping Employee Trap video training course, and if they buy it, it's going to upsell them on the monthly continuity. And then if they take that, yes or no, it doesn't matter, it's going to upsell them again onto the marketing ROI, $97. And then the $97 upsell is going to have the $297 order bump. That's a bit too much. Like I said, it's too much. So $97 upsell, and then the same with the window cleaning blueprint course. They're going to opt in, name and email address to get a free thing, a free download. Upon that free thing, it's going to bump them to a sales page where it's going to upsell them to the whole course for $37. And then it's going to upsell them on the monthly continuity, whether they say yes or no. It's going to upsell them again on $97 for marketing ROI. And then after that, it's just going to deliver their product, where then they can go in and consume all the information online. And then these are also going to be shown inside of my website as all products that are available. And then I can also do bundle deals where I can offer all of it for like one-time offer, $497. You'll get everything I have, like a platinum passport. Okay, that's it. I'm Keith Kalfas with Influencer You, where I'm, hello, blurry. Keith Kalfas with Influencer You, helping you become an influencer inside of your marketplace so you can take your knowledge, expertise, and advice and package it up and sell it for as high-priced products online. And yeah, and I use Kajabi. Click the link in the description below if you want to get the website that you can do all this on. It's amazing. All right, peace.